In this video, we will see dry run of the code.
So let's do a dry run of this. I'm using one array here. This is my array and with some negative numbers so that there won't be any possibility left for this solution. So let me put the indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and let's start. So we have this n, k and this is my array. Okay, so the first thing is sort the array. So I will simply sort the array. So if I simply sort it, it will be -1, then again -1, sorry, it will be first -5, -5, then -1, -1, then 1 and then last 2. These will be the indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is my sorted array. Okay, now let's start. Let left equals to 0, so I will take one pointer, L is here, L here, that is 0, my left. Right equals to n minus 1, so n is 5, 5 minus 1, 4, so my r will be here, my r is pointing to 4 and my sum is starting from 0, so I will initialize one variable sum. Right. Now let's come to here. While loop is less than right. Yes, L is 0, R is 4, it is less than right. Now take the sum of ARR of left plus ARR of right. So -5 plus 2, that will be -3 and -3 we got a sum. Now I will come to this condition. If sum is greater than k, so -3 is greater than -4. Yes, sum is greater than -4. So what we will have a course of action, that right minus minus. So I will simply do r minus minus. This will be my action. So my r pointer will point to here. And now let's see this. I will again come to this while loop. Is left is less than r? Yes. So first of all my r is 3 now, right? Yes, still left is less than r, 0 is less than 3. Now let's take out the sum. So sum is -5 plus 1, so that is -4. So is sum is greater than k? No. Is sum is less than k? No. So what? It's equals to k, right? So -4 is equals to -4. Right? So here what our action will be, simply print yes. So here I got a solution in the first initial steps, but this will be your a basic dry run. This will be your dry run code. You can check out different example also, right? But this is how your code moves. Like basically your pointer moves and this is how your code, basically this is the condition, left is less than equals to right, less than right, and you will simply move it. So thank you for your time and participation. Let's continue to grow, learn and make a difference together.
Thanks for watching the video. I hope you had fun learning. If you liked it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Keep progressing, keep coding, and I will see you next time at Progression School.